I have a best friend. I have a best friend. We are very good friends. We are very good friends. Do you have a boyfriend? Do you have a boyfriend? She is my lovely girlfriend. She is my lovely girlfriend. They are a happy couple. They are a happy couple. He is my husband now. He is my husband now. She is my dear wife. She is my dear wife. We are just good friends. We are just good friends. I met a new partner. I met a new partner. My brother is very tall. My brother is very tall. I love my older sister. I love my older sister. My parents are very kind. My parents are very kind. She is my favorite cousin. She is my favorite cousin. They are my close family. They are my close family. I have a new roommate. I have a new roommate. He is my best classmate. He is my best classmate. They are my work colleagues. They are my work colleagues. We are getting engaged soon. We are getting engaged soon. She is a lovely person. She is a lovely person. We share a strong bond. We share a strong bond. They are very lovely neighbors. They are very lovely neighbors. I miss my old friend. I miss my old friend. We are together forever now. We are together forever now. Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings? I like meeting new people. I like meeting new people.